Alright, let's talk about watching them niggas that's close to you and make sure they do what they supposed to do. Because you know they be thinking about smoking you. Never personals nowadays is the ways. Watch them niggas that's close to you and make sure they do what they supposed to do. Because you know they be thinking about smoking you. Yo, never personal nowadays is the ways. Alright, y'all. Fuck everybody. I'm just kidding. One love, peace and blessings, y'all. I'm coming at y'all from the DMV. For a lot of y'all who are slow. Damn, that was a nice ass burp. I just can't believe it's not butter. No, it just can't be that late. No. Anyway, check this out. Meryl Streep, the Golden Globes. She read the fuck out that nigga. And she never said his name. Do y'all know who the nigga I'm talking about is? Can y'all smell what the Rock is cooking? Yes, that's right. The Donald Trump. Now, she was presented an award by the infamous, talented, beautiful Viola, how do you say it? Viola Davis, okay? Which has just co-starred in a movie called Fences, starring her and Denzel Washington. So we got to take a good look at Meryl Streep's career and whatnot, and see all of her ups, downs, highs, lows, and all of the other bullshit ahead. So that was pretty dope. But when Meryl Streep got on stage, y'all, she went in, child. She went all the way, all the way, all the way in. So I guess you guys can go on your own and go research it and go Google it. But I'm not a big fan of the Golden Globes. Nor am I a big fan of Hollywood or the Hollyweird. Okay. Also, Real Housewives of Atlanta. That guy Matt, he needs some type of psychological fucking evaluation. He's crazy. He keeps fucking with Kenya Moore. And the question that people really want to know is, was he paid to give her a storyline? Or was he not paid to give her a storyline? Well, this, my dear, we will never know. But as crazy as motherfucking what's his name, Max, was Matt. And we were googling it. We could not figure out, like, what is Matt's last name? Is it Matt whatever, Matt this, Matt that? But yeah, anyway, that was some fucked up shit. What else has been going on? Okay, Cowboys fans, we're going to the fucking top. We're going to the top. We're going to the top. I'm fucked up right now, but everything is everything. I just want to talk about this racism and sexism shit and the Kim Burrell shit, but that's a whole nother level.